Oh yeah, Pachinko. Say it again. Yeah, somebody brought in a live bird and didn't hurt it at all, just like she normally doesn't hurt those lizards. It's still flying and everything. I opened up both doors. All the bird has to do is figure out that those windows won't get it anywhere. But if it flies out of either one of these doors, it's golden. Oh God. Pachinko. Get down from there. Jesus. Pachinko. That bird better fly. Fly, bird, fly. Yeah, it's Pachinko. Alright, that's the ticket, bird. Just go out that fucking door. I know, Pachinko. You did a great job of catching that bird. And even a pretty good job of not hurting it. But now we have a problem. And it's a problem that doesn't look like it's going to get solved anytime soon, so. Yep. Yeah, I know. That was a good catch. I say you're only good for lizards, but you just brought in a live bird, so good for you. All right, well, to be continued. Bird's still on the curtains.